How to use WhatsApp Business in 2 phones. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up the step. Open up WhatsApp Business, and then once you open up WhatsApp Business, in the top of this interface you should be finding a 3 dot. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, a menu appears. Now from the given menu, select the option called Link Devices. And after you go ahead and tap on it, here you'll be finding option called Link a Device. Go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you need to enter up your security PIN. And here, what you need to do is, you need to use WhatsApp Wave, and there you'll be finding a QR code. All you gotta do is simply go ahead and place your secondary phone in under that code, and once it scans, you'll be able to link the device on your secondary device as well, the WhatsApp Business. So all you gotta do is download both WhatsApp on both of the devices, and once that is done, all you gotta do is simply tap on link device and follow the on-screen prompts, and that's it. So that is it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.